She's correct. She's a slime queen. That is so cute.
Hey guys, we are at Chelsea Piers in New York City. We are about to go into Sweet Sweet tonight, the biggest toy party of the year. We're actually early. We're like an hour early, which never happens for our family. So I've got a feeling it is going to be an awesome night. Come along with us for all our adventures. If you guys are new to our channel, hit the red button to subscribe. Don't forget that bell. And guys, make sure to like this video and leave a comment.
It's exciting. It's super fun, you guys.
I know you're just marshmallows. Brooklyn!
Can I have your attention, please? My name is Toy Soldier Johnny from FAO Schwarz, the iconic toy store in Rockefeller Center. And all of you are now going to follow me in a Toy Soldier march to the main entrance. Make sure you say hello to my superhero friends as you come down. Is everybody ready? Follow me!
Hey, hey!
Boys and girls, welcome to Sweet Sweet!
Ashley insisted on a fidget ad calendar, so I actually bought a bunch of your things that were included in our ad.
You can make your own Captives Dino tonight. Our body parts, heads and tails, so you can make any dino that you can imagine at the Biosim Lab.
This guy is like, he's cool.
Cute little accessories. So what is Dr. Squish doing now? Is this a squishy maker?
Squishy maker. It'll be out in the fall.
Very cool.
Okay, my friend tons of plastic eggs on.
Guess the scent of the slime. Are you like a robot?
The making of a slime TikTok.
Yes, the making of a slime TikTok. Hey Ashley, guess the scent of the slime. She's correct. She's a slime queen. That is so cute.
Brooklyn, can you spin one more time? Brooklyn, is that Scout? Is that, oh, are you showing your sucker? Ooh, ice cream suckers, ice cream balloons, ice cream everything.
I have a Coke sucker.
Yeah, is it good?
Good at rock. I got Rocky.
Nice. Brooklyn, what are you doing? Look at all this ice cream. All made from balloons. What did you guys get from the glazed and confused donut truck?
I got Fruity Pebbles.
Fruity Pebbles, close up look.
Bracelet, so we can make a fun charm bracelet, and a friendship bracelet with Andy. Lady T has a fun paint set with a stencil, so you could go back and color in the clothing, and in the portraits, and the headband. All of them have fun accessories.
Letter beads in different colors and styles. And just kind of pick all the beads that kind of sing to you and make you excited. And then you'll take a seat, and when you're ready to go and ready to finish it up, just bring it up to us. We'll help you close it up.
Hi everybody, it's Toy Soldier Johnny at FAO Schwarz. The Toy Association is having the summer party inside our store. It's closed for everybody else except for these guys and everybody else online.
What are you doing, Brookie?
Now hold it. Don't pass out. All right, let it go. 2, 3. All right, so now watch the flame. So step back just a little bit. You're good, sir. All right. Here we go. Watch the flame. It looks like it's thirsty. Come on, drink. Drink. Oh, there it goes. Drink, baby, drink. Oh my goodness. Was that cup thirsty?
As you guys can see from the video, Sweet Sweet was so much fun, don't you think?
Yeah, it was.
And there wasn't just the main event that was pretty amazing in and of itself, but you guys saw there was a private event at FAO Schwarz that we got to go to, and then there was a new doll launch at camp. Both of those were so much fun. It just worked out perfectly that they were right at the same time as Sweet Sweet. Let me know in the comments what looked like most fun to you. So if you guys haven't already, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know your favorite part of Sweet Sweet and what toy you guys are most excited about.
Bye.